Yo Gabba Gabba is brand new to Nick Jr. This is your chance to see some of the action. Yo Gabba Gabba is coming up after this.
Hop on board and come on down. Let's all go explore Nick Jr. Town. It's fun and exciting with so much to see. Time to join in, just follow me. Jump on a bus and meet a friend. There'll be loads of adventures around each bend. Whatever bus we get and wherever it goes, they'll take us to friends from our favourite shows. Hi, I'm Dora. What's your name? No time to waste and so much to do. Nick Jr. is here and waiting for you. 3 routes to choose, so 3 ways to play. Join us in shouting, hip hip hooray!
Have you explored all of Nick Jr. yet? Come on, jump on board!
Our friend Earth has a big smiley face. She gives a home to the human race. She's round, cuddly and friendly too, and loves and cares for me and you. She makes the puddles, rivers and the seas, and gives life to plants, flowers and trees. She feeds the animals through day and through night, and provides a bed so they can sleep tight. She's the air we breathe when we laugh and sing, every hour, every day, from autumn to spring. So let's care for the earth, the friend we adore, and put your arms around her forevermore.
Like birds in land on a star.
You can see Yo Gabba Gabba every day on Nick Jr. starting in February. And you can win Yo Gabba Gabba toys. Go to nickjr.co.uk/Yo competition to find out how.
We're the school gardeners and we've got little green fingers.
This is our living classroom.
We're growing new potatoes.
Who can guess what the first thing we need to do is?
Dig a hole. The school gardeners planted their potatoes at Easter. They need lots of compost. They planted potatoes that have already sprouted. The sprouts point upwards. Then they cover them with more compost and water gently. 8 weeks later, look at them now. We need to cover the potatoes. The actual potatoes need to grow in the dark. We're using straw. Now it's the end of the summer term. Our potatoes are ready to harvest.
Where do you think the potatoes might be?
Underground. I wonder if there are any potatoes. We're going to take the straw off. Then we loosen them with a fork. Can you see them? I found hundreds. I found loads. There they are. And more. And more. Lots of potatoes. Look at all our potatoes. Why don't you grow something? Are you growing anything at home? Why not send a photo to nickjr.co.uk/green fingers and show us how green your fingers are.
At the click of a button, not too far away, you can watch all your favourite Nick Jr. clips every single day. From Little Green Fingers to Little Green Tuck, there's a whole world of fun running amok. A little ray of sunshine, she's fun and leafy. Log on now for new clips of Fifi. We're easy to find at nickjunior.co.uk. So go on, give it a go. We're waiting for you to play.
Yay!
Nick Junior Video at nickjunior.co.uk.